What's up guys, welcome back to another video of Dynamic Tech, and today I'm gonna explain which settings you should choose in Windows 10 for better experience. So I would recommend you to watch the video till end so you get full information about the settings section in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, first of all you have to open settings. So open the start, and from here you will find settings on the settings section. Click on it and let it open. And after opening settings, we should go to system first. So click on system, and you should choose these settings as your taste, but I'm gonna recommend here is you should click on storage. This settings analyzes and detects your storage and your data, and here is a settings called storage sense, which can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So I would recommend you to turn it on, so you will get your computer freed up after every week or month like schedule. Next, you have to go to the app section right here, click on it, and from here choose the last option saying startup. Click on it. Here we have all the application which starts up automatically when Windows are turned on. So turn off all the applications from here, or if you can turn on all the applications, then turn off as many applications as you can to gain performance for your computer. As you can see, I've turned off mostly applications which are not usable for startup, and I've turned on most useful applications for startup. After disabling startup items, let's optimize our computer for gaming. So you will see a gaming section here, click on it, and from here turn off Xbox game bar, because it will decrease your gaming experience and your games will lag when you capture a screenshot or recording. So I would recommend you to record with an external application or software like OBS or Bandicam to record gameplays or screens. After disabling Xbox game bar, let's go to the section game mode and turn off game mode when you're not playing a game, and only turn on when you are playing a game, because when you turn on game mode, it will prefer your GPU usage instead of your CPU usage, which can affect your other processes. So I will recommend you to turn on game mode only while gaming. After optimizing your computer for gaming, let's turn off a setting which is very harmful for your computer's performance, hidden right into the privacy section. So go to privacy, and here scroll down till the last, and here you will find a section saying background apps. Click on it and turn off all the background apps to gain performance. It's like when you're using your computer and you open any application or program from the Windows 10 defaults, and when you close that specific application, the application closes in your eyes but it is still running in the background, so your computer's performance decreases and your computer gets laggy. So I would highly recommend you to turn off all the background apps in order to get the performance and make your computer using experience better. Hope you found the video helpful, and if you really did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you're new on the channel, then subscribe my channel and also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates. That's all for today guys. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.